In this video, I'm walking you through how to sign into your Hotmail account. It only takes a minute, so let's get into it. First, open your browser and head to Outlook. Microsoft moved all Hotmail accounts over to Outlook, so that's where you'll be logging in. You can search Outlook Login or go straight to the site. Once you're on the homepage, hit the Sign In button in the top right corner. You'll be asked for your email address. Go ahead and type in your full Hotmail address, double-check it, then click Next. On the following screen, enter your password. If you're on a personal device, you can use the Show Password option to make sure it's typed correctly. Especially handy if your password is long or complex. When you're ready, click Sign In. After that, you may see a prompt asking whether you want to stay signed in. On your personal device, go ahead and click Yes to save yourself some time next visit. If you're on a shared or public computer, click No to keep your account secure. And that's it. You're in. You've got full access to your inbox and can start reading and sending emails right away. Just remember to log out when you're done if you're not on your own device. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.